Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the faculty and students for the next alumni talk session, second alumni talk of this week. So, I would like to introduce Nomita Reddy. She is from lateral ND batch actually. So, we cannot say 11:15 passed out. We can say 12:15 passed out because she has joined as a lateral entry. Okay, she is the first lateral entry student. We are going to have alumni talk from this series. She joined initially in Pramati Technologies. Later, she has went. Continued her work there only, and she went to the good position in the Pramati Technologies. She helped many juniors also. Okay, remaining all the things, how was journey, everything, all. She will go with her explanation and all. It's over to you, Nomita.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity for me. So, hi for all my dear juniors and friends, and hi for faculties. So, I would like to start a journey in Tech CMI campus. So, I have completed my diploma in 2012. So, I have to join in the good college. I was searching for the very good college, engineering colleges. So, I have added CMR main campuses first, and at last I have added CMR group of institutions, CMRG campus. So I got placed in CMRG campus. I was happy to be in that college. So once I entered into the college, I was afraid where I came from the diploma government college where I studied. So I was little afraid. It was a very big college for me. Um, once I entered, all the people were grouped already. Like first year, all the people studied first year, and everyone were grouped into the friends. So once I entered, everyone saw me as a new person. No one is ready to take me into their group, into their friendship group. So I was alone for more than 2 to 3 months. After that, I have joined with the people and I came to know all the friends and I got mingled with them. But the first 3 months where I was alone, I was very afraid and I didn't have any other lateral entry students at that time. They didn't join it. So I was alone and I was disappointed being in that college. So there is no any lateral entry students and I'm the only person in the lateral entry, and people are not ready to be friendly with me. And I'm also like isolated. So then onwards, after 3 months, slowly, I have started speaking to everyone. I became friends to everyone, and I was very happy. And I got a nice friends group also. And it was very good journey in my college. So I have to start uh, start with my studies. Uh, so how I have learned, I have to tell you. So you people also can do the same thing. So if you start learning something, you have to know the questions: how, why, what. You should know everything else. For example, if you are knowing something, you have to know completely all around, not just a theory part. You should be practical. You have to know the practical knowledge is very important once you grow up and once you have been in the companies. So first thing, in colleges we used to just learn theoretically and we just attempt for the exams and we will get passed, but that is nothing we have learned from that. We need a practical knowledge from the time when we start learning itself. For example, in second year, there was a subject like for example, any subject. Uh, let's take C and C++. We just butify our code and we used to write in the exams. That's not correct. We should be ready to write a new code. We should be ready to write our own programs that will help you in the future. So that was I have learned after I have completed my BTech and I have joined in corporate. So before that, I was also studying like normal theoretically and we used to write exams. But in diploma, I'm having some disturbance. Uh, I'm seeing some disturbance. Can you please mute?
Yeah,
Okay.
continue. I have muted.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Uh, so I have to tell you my diploma also what I have done. In diploma final year, I have a project where I have done by my own. That was a very big achievement in my government college. No one used to care about our projects. At that time, my lecturer gave me support, and she made me to do small coding, and then I have continued and I have done my own project, and that was my biggest achievement, and that was my first achievement I have done. So once in BTech also, I thought to do the same work. When I'm in the final year, uh, I thought we have a mini project and major project. So in a mini project, I thought to do my own project, and I have to do it my own code, and I was struggling a lot. I was searching for all which technology I have. Once, if I, for example, if you start learning your programming knowledge, programming language perfectly, then you will be able to write the code and you will be able to achieve the project. But I didn't have any knowledge on my the programming that I have chosen, and I have done the project. It was messed up till the last minute, last month. So I was very struggling when I'm doing my project. I have done my project in .NET, so I didn't have knowledge on .NET. Without having the project basic knowledge, I have entered into the project and I got confused and I have done something and I have messed up. Finally, I have struggled a lot. Finally, I just wanted to tell you that I have struggled a lot to complete my projects. So for you people, this is my suggestion. Whenever you learn anything, please learn it completely in detail. So don't do Butify or something. I just want you to know everything as programmatically. In labs also, we should not just Butify the programs. We have to know what we are writing, which line we are writing, why it is used. So everything. So in I have to tell you about our college. Our college is very good college. I got a very good opportunity where I got placed in Pramati Technologies, and I'm having a very good life because of that. If I have not been in a CMR Technical Campus, I must not have been in this position, like senior developer now. I don't know. I placed in a very good place, good job, and I was in a very good place right now. So I'm very happy to be in this college. At the time when I have joined, I thought I have chosen a wrong. I have chosen the wrong college in the middle where I felt like I don't have any friends. I became alone. I'm not able to concentrate. So when I'm in the final year, I felt I'm very lucky person to have in this college. In this college, I got many opportunities. We went for Red Hat training also. That used for me when I'm in my office. So the extracurriculum activities which I have went through in the college, those helped me a lot in the corporate. So workshops, please don't miss any workshops. If you are going to any workshop, learn some basics from that. That will be helpful. So Linux, Red Hat Linux was very much helpful for me. Because of that, I've achieved one step in my corporate. So that's what. So once I have went through the fourth year. So first uh, we went for a placements. Placement, I have not selected for many companies. The first company I went through is CSE, and I got rejected in the first round itself. The second company, uh, I went to second round. The third company, I went to the third round. I was increased, and finally at the last, when the last moment, before we have written the exams and placed in Pramati Technologies. I'm very happy for that, and I would thankful to CMR Technical Campus and Naresh sir for giving these opportunities, and Srijan sir for helping. He's an HOD. I think right now he is only the HOD. All our lecturers helped a lot. Anything?
Yeah, Nomita.
Yes, sir.
There are some doubts like
Okay.
when you are a lateral entry candidate.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever a lateral entry student, because there are a couple of lateral entry students also here.
Okay.
So for them, I mean for CSC and IT students, the problem is whenever you join in second year, the major thing for CSC and IT is C language.
Yes.
In first year, they will not be able to learn. We don't know whether in their curriculum in 10th, inter or in diploma, whether they have learned C language or whether they are perfect in that C language or not. We don't know. But
Okay.
you also did not learn C language in your first year. I mean, BTech first year was
Yeah.
not.
First year was not.
Yeah. Then you are going as a developer, or now you said you are a senior developer.
Yeah.
Then how did you cope up with the programming from second year? Because as per my knowledge, your second year subject would be advanced data structures or Java something.
Yes.
So
So
how did you cope from second year without knowing C? Or you have learned to C outside?
no. In diploma, we will have all the subjects, sir. In diploma, we will have C language, data structures, all the BTech subjects. Every subject will be available in diploma. Diploma first year, we will learn C language. Diploma second year, C++ and Java and data structures. Everything, all the major subjects, theory, TOC, all these subjects will be available in diploma, but only till the basics. We will not have advanced knowledge on that. We'll have only the basic knowledge in diploma. So once we enter into the BTech, we learn the detailed, little more subject. We'll get into the little more subject. But the problem I faced with the diploma portion and BTech portion was we don't have maths knowledge completely. In diploma, we have very less mathematical knowledge. So once I entered into the BTech, we have a PH subject something. So we have a few subjects which related to mathematics.
Yeah,
I don't remember right now.
MFCS. MFCS.
MFCS is fine. We use
probability and statistics.
Probability and status, right? So in that probability and status, we used to have integrations, all those things. I was very confused. I don't know any formula with me. So I struggled a lot to learn that subject because I'm an BTech diploma student. So I don't have mathematical knowledge. That one I faced. And as a diploma student, I can tell you that it's very easy to learn in BTech. More than a BTech student, we have a little bit more knowledge in all the other subjects. Before only we used to learn that. So it's very easy to be in the corporate. Diploma students will have a easy go through instead of BTech students.
So one more question.
Okay.
Like, is there any whenever you go for interview, is there any categorization like regular student and lateral student in perspective of interviews?
Yeah. Fortunately, it was not there. So it was not there. So, but due to my first year, I don't have a percentage. I got the percentage in the final year. So I was not allowed to say more than 75 percentage section interviews. So, I used to attend the interviews which are allowed for below 75 percentage. So that's the only one thing I worried about that.
How many companies you have attended, Nomita?
It was like more than 20 or 25 companies.
So, but you did not stop. You started attending continuously.
Yeah, I have started. I have continued, and I have not. I have not removed my confidence. I had my confidence. I have continued, and also I have a parallel thing. Also have done. I have completed. I have started learning gate courses. So
Okay.
I have to tell you about my gate course. Gate course. Just in the fourth year, I thought what is my future and how I have to go through, and I started learning my gate portion. I have gone through all my gate subjects from the fourth year starting onwards. So that made me very difficult because all the subjects, all the BTech subjects, I have to learn at the same time. At the same time, I have to go through all the interviews. So interview schedule there, I have to go to gate classes, interviews. So it was very clumsy at the fourth year for me. So it was I got confused, but still I had a hope. So finally I got gate score also, but not good score. It's just a score. Just I have passed the gate, so I was happy for that. But I have to tell you guys that please don't do the mistake what I have done. If anyone wants to go to IITs or anyone wants to do MTech or something, please start your gate course at the beginning itself as early as possible. So while learning your subjects, it will be easy for you to learn the gate course also. In gate, the questions will be like one-to-one questions, very twisty questions. You have to go to complete deep into your subjects. Then only you will be able to answer. Otherwise, you can't answer any question in gate. If you want to answer, you should go complete deep. So if you start learning from your first year onwards, preparing GATE and your BTech subjects parallelly, then you will have a good score in your BTech, and also you will get a good score in your GATE also. So that is my suggestion.
Yes, any questions? Somebody said. Abhinav, any questions? Abhinav, you raised your hand. Somebody
So,
asked. Did they send you any questions?
no, sir. In chats, I don't have any questions, but I can tell further about my corporate life also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
still have time. You continue.
yeah. First, I have to tell you guys that don't get fear. I used to fear a lot. Still, I don't know why. I get fear more. So, people, I am telling you people that please don't get fear. Even I am shivering now to tell you people. So, that is one back step that I have. So you have to go through on it. So like when I went to the corporate, so we are a bunch of 30 people joined at a time. So we are as an interns. We joined as an interns. They
From
already
our college only. From our college only.
yes,
But
from
30
not
members.
our college.
Hmm.
From our college, we used to have 5 to 6 people.
Okay. From all the
So
campuses.
from all the campus.
Okay.
So
Total 30 members.
total from all the colleges in Hyderabad, we are
Hmm.
30 people placed as interns, and they already said us only few people will be selected from this. You have to show your complete knowledge. So we were very worried, and we struggled a lot that 2 months to
Hmm.
get through it. And finally, I got through it. Only 13 members were selected out of 30 people, and there was a other students where who selected to other things. I have to tell you about my friend where we are as interns. So he has a Linux knowledge. So he is not gone through interns. So all the interns who got job, he's not there in that job. But he has the Linux knowledge, and he showed his Linux knowledge, and he went through Linux administration side. So if you have other knowledge also, you have to show in your corporate life. So one thing I've done is I got feared. So I lost one of my opportunity at that time. So I don't want to tell you all the story, and it will be very nonsense for you people. So once you are in corporate, you have to show all your knowledge. You should show up your talent to to them. Then only you will get into the good position.
You might have done any interviews.
Yeah, I have done few interviews.
So can you, because from your company now you are a senior developer.
Yes.
So whenever you do now, see, you were uh, one time long back you were a student.
Yes.
Now you are in a position to interview some students and you are taking them for your company, maybe
Yes,
for
sir.
the next rounds or whatever it may be. So can you please give some tips to our students while you are doing interview? What you will check in the student?
Okay. So first we'll check their confidence levels. What's their confidence? First thing, everyone will check their confidence, the way they speak and the way they are confident in their subjects and something. And many people will see for a logical knowledge. If the people have a logical knowledge, they will definitely get through in any subject or in anything. So mainly people checks their logical knowledge, whether they have logically good or not. So for example, you should be like, if if we tell uh, once for example, if okay, in C program, if a teacher explains you a plus b program, you should be able to do a minus b, a into b, or a divided b, or any mathematical operations you should be able to do. So if one person teaches you something, you should be able to do more than that. So that we will check, and we'll check how they learn in the subject, the way they learn the subject. So for we will ask a few questions. um, it will be very tricky, so they should be able to answer the question in the with their practice, the theoretical way they tell the answer. So not the bookish answer. We expect the practical examples that they have given.
Okay. So what technologies you would suggest right now? Because you are already working on some technologies or some other things for your company right now.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not asking to reveal those things, but
Okay. Mm.
as you are in the market right now for some companies and all, what technologies you would suggest for our students to learn?
Right now, DevOps is a very good going through in the market. DevOps and full stack developers. People are looking for full stack developers. What is a full stack developer means? They should have a knowledge in the front end development and back end development. For example, like HTML, JavaScript, Angular, Node.js, databases, everything. So they should have complete knowledge from front end to back end. So they have to know completely web services, everything. So either the full stack developers or a DevOps, both are different. So anyone is a very good opportunity, very good thing to get into. And even cloud is also a good opportunity.
Okay.
Mm.
So anyone is having any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask. Previously, I was unable to unmute. Now, if you have, you can ask. Are you able to unmute? Okay, allow participants to unmute themselves.
Mm.
Okay, any lateral entry students here, ma? Any lateral entry students here? Please respond. ఉన్నారా మీ రూల్ నెంబర్ చూస్తే అర్థమైంది కానీ బట్ నాకు any lateral entry students here? Yeah, from IT I can see some lateral entry student.
Okay.
Is there any
Oh.
question? Jump. So that you are the correct person to ask. From IT, 197 or 5A2, rule number 2, IT. I think second year IT. Meaning all changes in names. Our people will ask only in chat. There is some question in chat.
Okay.
Yeah. Ask a question, Mahesh, if possible. Yes. Good.
So, sir, I'm not able to see the question.
Yeah, tell me.
What is the question?
No. It was not question.
Mm.
Yes. Lateral entries, you can ask me question to me or to her, to Nomita directly.
Okay.
You got anything?
No, sir.
Right.
But it's fine.
No problem. Let's. I have some questions actually. So I thought
Okay.
they might ask. If not, I will go ahead because some
Okay.
people may not come forward and ask. Okay, I face this one in general in every alumni talks. But
Okay.
so in
Mm.
in your total 4 years, uh, what is your opinion on backlog?
Backlog. Maximum we have to try not to have backlogs. So it finally, if you have a backlogs in the final year, it's very difficult to go through the placements. Will be stopped to the placements. So it's very important to not to have any backlog. So
Do your company
actually,
use it?
sorry, sir.
Do your company use it? Check it while joining in company. Like you should not have. There are two types of backlogs, like history of backlogs and current
Yeah.
backlogs, active and passive.
People will not history of backlogs, but people will check current backlogs or current backlogs.
Hmm.
So if there are current backlogs, I think they will not accept.
Yeah, is there any juniors in your company of our college?
Yeah, we have a junior, Prashanti, I think.
Hmm.
So, yeah, I got through one profile. My junior, my back junior.
Hmm.
She used to come to me and ask me all how our company be, how I have to behave, how I should be. So I used to give her the suggestions, and she's in a good position right now. I think she is in also working as a developer.
So where is your office located, Nomita? Where is your
Banjara Hills.
Banjara Hills? Okay. So
Right.
from long time. Same
From?
place. Same place.
Yeah, same place.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So finally, what you would like to give our students a final concluding anbo? What you would like to give tips?
Okay. First thing, don't lose any opportunity. Second thing, please attend all the workshops so you will come to know the latest what is going around and latest technologies and everything. Not only a book knowledge, you should have a practical knowledge. And don't keep backlogs in the fourth year. Mainly in the fourth year, please complete all your backlogs. If you have any backlogs by third year itself, when you are in fourth year, you will be very busy in placements and your other parallel future opportunities. So I would suggest not to have any backlogs, and don't lose any opportunity, and don't be afraid while you are showing your knowledge or while you are showing your talent, everything.
That's it.
Yeah. That's it. And when you enter into the corporate, don't be like you are a student and they are telling you. So you just wanted to be friendly with the people, and you have to think they are your friends, and you should be able easily ask the questions. You should, if you have any questions, you should not keep it in your mind. You should express your questions, and they will definitely help you. If you are asking questions, they will also know that yeah, she is eager of learning. So they will come to know that you are eager, you have an eager to learn something. So they will consider whether you perform well or not. They will consider that, yeah, she is trying to learn something.
So finally, he or she should be social, right?
Yeah, should be social, and they should not keep their doubts in their mind itself, telling that it's very silly. If we ask that question, they think that she don't know anything. So we should not have that in our mind. We should be ready to ask any type of question. If it is a very basic, very simple question also, you should be ready to express it.
So because every person should be always a learner. No, there
Yes.
is no end for learning.
Yeah, there is no
Even still we are also learning only. Even any higher authority, any person will be still learning.
Yes.
So I request the students also, like whenever you join into a corporate, don't be that fear. ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ లో మీరు మమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్లు అడగాలి అని అంటే ఏమో సార్ అంటే భయం అని ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఏదో ఒకటి ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ అక్కడ బయటకు వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అట్లా ఉండదు. బికాజ్ ఐ సా సమ్ పర్సన్స్ ఇన్ నోమిత, సి ఈవెన్ కాలేజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎంత సైలెంట్ గా ఉండేదానో నాకు తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడేమో ఫుల్ గా మాట్లాడేస్తున్నావు, టక 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 గొప్ప నోట్ మాట్లాడమ్మా అని చెప్పేసి లేపి అడిగినా సరే మాట్లాడేదానివి కాదు. సి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ చేంజెస్. Okay, everything environment changes. Ippudu kuda there might be some people, definitely I am telling, once they go to the field or once they go to some workplace, definitely they will change, I think so.
Yes, they will change.
ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా సార్లు చూసాను, 9:20 కాలేజీకి రమ్మంటే చాలా మంది లేటుగా వస్తారు, 4కి అయిపోతే మాత్రం 4 కంటే ముందే వెళ్ళిపోతారు కుదిరితే, ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎనీ ఛాన్స్. Because sir 9:20 sir, I have to do journey from LB Nagar, ECIL, అది ఇదని రీజన్ చెప్తారు. మీరు కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత లేట్ అయ్యారమ్మా ఎప్పుడైనా? నిజంగా చెప్పండి. ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి పర్మిషన్ తీసుకొని లేట్ అవుతారు, కానీ డైలీ విల్ యూ బి లేట్? ఐ మీన్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు డబ్బులు కట్టి రావాలి, అక్కడ దే విల్ పే యూ.
So we'll have our ID card access. It will be like 1 minute also they will get into the consideration.
Yes.
Like oka 1 week lo man inni hours we should be in working.
Yes, daily 9 hours meekenta?
Daily 9 hours.
So నువ్వు ఎంతసేపు అయినా బయటకు వెళ్ళిరా, ఏం చేసిరా, లంచ్కి వెళ్ళిరా, కానీ 9 hours వర్కింగ్ లో ఉండాలి.
వర్కింగ్ ఆఫీస్ లోపల ఉండాలి.
ఆఫీస్ లోపల ఉండాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఫర్ లంచ్ ఆల్సో, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కౌంటెడ్.
Yeah, if you go out, it is considered. If you are in the office, then it is not considered.
Yeah, బాక్స్ తెచ్చుకొని తింటే ఏం కాదు. లంచ్ కోసం బయటకు వెళ్తే హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ వెళ్తే హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలి.
Yes.
So suppose I due to some problem I was 6 hours only today in company. Tomorrow can I be 12 hours?
Yes sir, we can.
Okay. But daily on an average in a month you should be 9 hours.
Yes.
Okay, is this rule still going on in all the companies maximum?
Not in all the companies, in few companies. In few companies are very good. They don't ask for the time only. They will just only work బాగా చేస్తున్నారా లేదా, మనకి ఇచ్చిన వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని మాత్రం చూస్తున్నారు. కొందరు ఇలా 9 hours పెడుతున్నారు, కొందరు ఎలా అంటే ఇన్ టైం అవుట్ టైం చూసుకుంటున్నారు.
ఓకే, ఏ కంపెనీస్ అయితే టైమింగ్ గురించి అడగట్లేదు, ఒకసారి ఆ కంపెనీస్ ఒకవేళ నీకు తెలిస్తే నాకు చెప్పమ్మా, మా పిల్లలకి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తా. దే విల్ ట్రై ఫర్ దోస్ కంపెనీస్ టు జాయిన్.
ఓకే,
ఫ్యూచర్.
యా ష్యూర్.
యా ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ Nomita for accepting my invitation. And you may be busy. Are you in Hyderabad right now?
Yeah, Hyderabad. Just 1 week back I came to Hyderabad.
Yeah. When I called previously, you were in not Hyderabad.
Yes.
You were returned. Work from home. You are doing work from home?
Yes, sir. Work from home.
Okay. Anything else you want to share? Any point? Any important point you missed?
Nothing, sir. I'm really thankful for you all faculties who helped me when I'm in colleges. సో నరేష్ సార్ మీకైతే స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్, ఎందుకంటే ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికి మంచి జాబ్స్ ఇప్పిస్తున్నారు. సో ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్. నా లైఫ్ ఇలా ఉందంటే దానికి కారణం ఆ కాలేజ్ అండ్ మీరు.
Thank you. It's not a single effort, ma. It's a team effort. Like Madhavrao sir, Nino, HOD sir, we'll be talking and we'll be gathering. So, మీరు ఇనిషియల్ గా మమ్మల్ని తిట్టుకున్నా సరే, once you go out of the college, definitely you will remember me. Again, ఇప్పుడు ఎంతమంది అయితే ఈ కాల్ వింటున్నారో వాళ్ళందరికి కూడా ఫ్యూచర్ లో మళ్ళీ నేను ఫోన్ చేసి అల్యూమినీ టాక్ పిలుస్తా, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు కాలేజ్ అయిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత. డెఫినెట్లీ. But thank you, Nomita, for sharing your views and accepting and coming. Me work from home time lo kuda 1 hour you have allocated to me, and thank you very much. And thank you faculty and students for joining the session. So tomorrow we'll have with alumni talk with another person from the first batch of CSC in college. So, right. Thank you, Nomita, and bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye students and bye friends. Bye for all faculties who are there also, and thank you for making my life this good.
Bye.
Bye.